Hey guys, Thrifty Christian here with a Mighty Hoops video and how to assemble the brackets. I went online like their manual told me and went to their website to view how to put these brackets on, but the videos didn't actually show that, at least not what I saw. And I was pretty patient and went through it, but I figured since their website didn't really show an exact video to go over this, I wanted to go ahead and make this video for all you guys out there that need to understand how these brackets go on if you buy the 3-pack like what I've bought here. So right here we have the 5x5 Mighty Hoop. That's 5 inches by 5 inches. And then over here we have the 8x9 and the 11x13 right there. Now, so in their instructions, I got to give them credit. Their instructions were pretty clear, but nothing does me justice than watching a video. So I want to make a clear distinction between the screw types that they offer you in the package. This is a roundhead type screw, and this one, you can see it right underneath there, if it'll focus. That's a flat head type screw. It's a flush mount screw. And that's the difference between this one 5x5 and then these two larger hoops, in that the round head goes on top. So when you set these brackets in place, there's only one way they can go, and it's basically with this lettering and numbering here up. And then if you look closely, there's this groove that goes around the edge that these sit right into. So it basically sits into the channel, letters and numbers up, and you can't go wrong. So don't worry about this little hitch here. That goes to the right side. So I guess if I'm standing over it, this little notch right here goes to the right side. But like I said, it wouldn't matter. If you put it on backwards, it'll still turn out right. So, okay, back to the screws. The round head ones on this smaller one, they go on the top, okay? And then you have the nut underneath. So your basic tools are just a Phillips head screwdriver and a pair of pliers, or a nut driver that will fit that nut right there. It's kind of small. All right, so that's for the small 5x5 Mighty Hoop, okay? So round screw head goes up, the bolt or the nut goes underneath. For the larger ones, it's just the reverse. Again, make sure the lettering and numbering is up and the nut goes on top and the screw head, the flush mount screws, go on the underside. Again, the larger one, nuts on top, and you can't see them here, but they're underneath there. So, but that's just a demonstration on how I assembled mine, and I kind of wish that Mighty Hoops would have done a better job at this, because when I got these out of the package over here, out of the box, all of the brackets just came in these clear plastic baggies with numbers on them. And I mean, that's all fine and dandy for them, but what does it tell me? It doesn't tell me anything, because I didn't know which set of screws and which plates went with which item, because there's no like part numbers or anything that I could have matched this up to, at least not that I found. So anyway, guys, that wraps it up. I will continuously be uploading my progress on my brand new Melco EMT16X. Beautiful machine here. I've got it set in a corner. I'm working through all of the maintenance and learning how to colorize my palette and stuff for the thread that I've put in there. So I'll keep you guys posted. I'll see you in the next one. Thrifty Christian, I'm out.